Hi, Khushbu. I'm from MSIT Delhi and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in the field of information technology. And I am in my second year. And luckily to COVID, I got promoted without any exams. So, yay. And I'm also with Khushbu, I'm also a part of the Google Women Techmakers Engineering Fellow. Like, we two are like one of the 126, I guess, right? 126 girls selected all over India for this program. So yeah, I'm really excited to be here. Thank you, Khushbu. So पहले formal terms में देख लेते हैं. Like to put it in formal terms, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program is a worldwide recognizable program which aims to sponsor undergraduate and postgraduate students in the field of technology and in different areas of technology. So basically क्या है? It's like a global online network, global online community of people who focus on issues in different areas of technology. No, of course not. It's for everyone. It's a worldwide open program. It's for both girls, boys, everyone. Yeah. So eligibility criteria is quite simple. It's nothing fancy. So first thing, you have to be at least 16 years old and you have to be a university student. You can be from any academic background, be it EC, CSE, IT. Like I'm from IT. So you can be from any academic background. You just have to have a zeal होना चाहिए that you want to work for the community and you want to learn and you want to do something in the technical field and you want to make a difference in the community. So, and also some experience in coding or technology is helpful because as in Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, you'll be conducting and hosting events for your peers in your community. So a little knowledge in that field is also required. Yeah, so the application process is also very simple. It's quite simple. You just need to submit an application. You can find it on their official website. And it gets first thing, it gets evaluated quarterly. Like once you fill the application, quarterly by quarterly, mera matlab hai, like in every 4 months, it gets evaluated. So you can find all the details like when it will get evaluated and when you will be getting the results, etc. So you just have to fill an application. As far as I remember, it consists of 5 sections. It will be like a personal info, school info, technology section. There is a separate section for what all technologies you are interested in, what all you want to explore. And one of them was, I think the most important section was the written sample section. So in this section, you get 3 questions. And these are questions like, what related to you and your work towards the community and how much you want to contribute, right? So, and it's compulsory, like it's mandatory to post at least one video answer. But I would recommend, if you have time, please post all video answers. Because, yeah, I'm not really a fan of word limits. So, video में तो क्या होता है ना, मतलब flow में तुम जितना अच्छे से बोल सकते हो, so it expresses your emotions and it expresses yourself, yeah. With your expressions, you can really put yourself. Exactly. So I'm not really a fan of word limits. So I created, I had 3 questions and I think everyone gets 3 questions. So I made all 3 videos. I had a lot of time. I made all 3 videos and first thing, you have to keep the video under 2 minutes. So it's not compulsory to post all 3 videos. Let's just make this clear, because I get a lot of messages like, should I post the video or should I post the written sample? So it actually depends on you. Like if you see me, I don't like written samples, so I posted a video. But if you don't like videos, you can go with the written sample. It has to be either a video or a written sample, not both. So perks तो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी सारे हैं. So इसमें actually ना perks actually differ करते हैं with levels. I don't think I told you about levels. So there are 3 levels in Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors. Earlier there were 4, but now they have changed it to 3. So there's Alpha, Beta, and Gold. So once you complete a learning path, you get promoted to Alpha. Yeah, and then once you host your first event, you get promoted to Beta. And Gold MSPs are the ones who have done exceptional work for the community. So you have to keep working for the community, keep learning, and then hopefully you'll get promoted to Gold as well. Yeah. हाँ. So in सबके perks हैं काफी सारे. So firstly, let's just talk about the general perks. So firstly, you get to be a part of such an amazing community. Like MSPs are like all over the world, and I guess India में काफी सारे हैं. So You get to be a part of such a great community. You get to connect with experts and mentors at Microsoft. You get to learn different technologies, from Microsoft Learn and Azure and everything. You get to share your knowledge. You get to be a mentor. So they all come with super exciting benefits. All these 3 levels, they come with super exciting benefits. So I think I have a few on the top of my head. So for alpha, once you become an alpha MSP, you get $150 credit for Azure. So Azure credits you get monthly, right? And then you get LinkedIn Learning. Once you get alpha, you get access to LinkedIn Learning, and you get access to you can learn from Microsoft Learn as well. And you also get a certification, like you get a code and you can get a Microsoft certification as well. बीटा के स्वैग्स तो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. So बीटा वाले once you get beta, you also get the swags for the perks for alpha as well. Okay, so it's alpha beta once together. You get swags and you get a lot of different swags. You get pop sockets, you get stickers, you get ऐसे कुछ dice जैसा था. I went to a summit and कुछ I think it was like a stress buster or something. You get backpacks, and you get apart from swags, you get event support. Like if I'm conducting an offline event, you get to you get like 100 subways, I guess, for your attendees. So Microsoft sponsors this, so yeah, so you get that, and you get mentorship and many more cool things. I don't really know all of them, so there are a lot of different cool things. And gold के भी काफी सारे perks हैं. So once you get gold, you get alpha benefits too, beta benefits too, and gold benefits too. Oh yeah. There was this Microsoft India Summit. I guess it was in January, February में था कभी, क्योंकि मार्च से तो लॉकडाउन में है. Yeah, so January or February में कभी था. I don't exactly remember. So it was in Delhi only. It was in Ray Meridian. It was such an awesome hotel. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, there were like MSPs from all over India. People actually flew from different states to just attend this event. So it was absolutely spectacular. So we also had Pablo there, and we had Aparna ma'am, and we had I think it was in January, because they were like a welcome session, like let's welcome the new MSPs. So they had us all stand up, and there was like just clap for them. They got selected for MSPs, etc. So it was really fun. And then there were technical sessions, and then there were motivational sessions. So it was very cool. And obviously, yeah, we got swags also. Okay, so firstly, I'm super active on LinkedIn. Yeah, I'm really, I've always been, yeah, I'm super active on LinkedIn. So I guess, I used to, like, once when I started, when I was in my first year, the only achievement I had on LinkedIn was that I was a student in MSIT. So I used to, look at people's profile, and I used to see that, what all things that they have done. I used to, I was very active on LinkedIn in the early stages of my BTech. So there I found out about MSP, and also my brother, he also told me a little bit about it. So yeah, then I was like, I kind of put it off for a little while, that I was very, I did not get into a good college initially, so I was very disheartened. I used to be like, oh my god, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, अब तो बेकार, तो क्या है, ठीक है. So yeah, so college तो August में start हुए थे, so I got selected in January. So for like 4-5 months I was very disheartened. I was like, मेरा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, तो बेकार college नहीं, मतलब अच्छा है, but still होता है ना that you worked so hard and still you did not get into one of the nice colleges. So I was very disheartened, but then I got selected as MSP in January, and it gave me a motivation. So this program holds a soft spot for me personally, because just when I got selected for MSP, I gained confidence, and I was like, okay, ab ho sakta hai kuch, theek hai. So okay, so firstly, try to be realistic and really honest with your answers. Express openly about your community involvement and your willingness to help your peers out in different ways. And make sure that you have submitted at least one video, and make sure that you take enough time to fill out your application. It's a pretty long application, so don't think of submitting it in a single day. Take your time, analyze your thoughts, and and then begin with your awesome application. And your essay questions, they play like a major role, so don't rush them. try to express your views as honestly as possible, and you know अच्छी सी वीडियो बनाओ, वेरी नाइस. एंड ऐसे मत सोचना दैट यू नो आज ही एक दिन में बैठ के पूरे दिन हम एमएसपी की एप्लीकेशन भर देंगे. So yeah, that's it. Be confident, be honest, express yourself to the fullest, and yeah, all the best. Oh, I've also written a blog. Yeah, so I wrote this blog before it got changed to Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors. So yeah, now I'll just make, like, there are many minor changes that I have to make. So yeah, you know, Rushali told me, you know, it was such a happy moment for me. Rushali, for people who don't know Rushali is our friend. She's also part of the Google Women Techmakers program. So Rushali was like, Sonal, your blog really helped me, and I followed your blog religiously, and I filled my application and I got selected, and you know, my heart was like so happy. I was like, oh my god. Like, you know, it feels good that, you know, that something that you have written or created, you know, it really helped someone. So it was like such a happy moment. I even like tweeted about this. I was like, I'm going to post this everywhere. Okay, this was such a nice, heartwarming moment for me. And do share this video if someone you know is applying for the program, and you know, it might be helpful for them. So share it. Yeah. And I hope we see you next time. Thank you so much, Khushbu, for inviting me. Do it again. I'll be happy to be here again. मुझे क्या बोलना था? ये है. ठीक है. मेरे पास एक ये था पॉप सॉकेट, ये खराब हो गया है. यहाँ पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट स्टूडेंट पार्टनर लिखा था. एक और है वाइट कलर का, स्टिकर्स हैं, और एक बैग सा था शायद वाइट कलर का. वो था नेक टाई. एक नोटबुक थी, नोटबुक भी है मेरे पास, पेन भी है मेरे पास. सो इफ यू वांट आई कैन गेट दोस. हाँ, उसमें तो वो तो चले गए थे छोड़ के. क्योंकि वो 2.5 आवर्स की निकल गई थी ना, तो जैसे ही 2 घंटे हुए उन्होंने. हाँ.